It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always hopping by to my channel. And yeah, as you can see, I'm slaying. Yeah. So I'm going to do a video on how to install this wig, and make sure you watch till the end so that you can see how I got to achieve this look. Yeah, without no further ado, let's get to the video. So I'm going to be doing a review of of this lace front wig. I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I got from Dolls Closet from IG. I like to review products or services that are quite affordable to you guys, or even to me who wouldn't want an affordable product that is also bomb AF. And this wig is called Gwen, and it is in the color 99J. I feel like the color is just something different for me. I have done braids with the same color and it was so amazing, so I really can't wait to see. Let me give you details about this wig. So this is a semi-human wig. Yeah, it's a semi-human, and just wait for me to take it out of the box so you guys can see how amazing it's looking. Then it has the paper has directions on how to put on the wig, or on how to take care of it and everything. Actually, it's called the care guide. Angle hair from end to root before shampooing. That means that you can also wash this hair. Carefully wash in lukewarm water with mild shampoo. Do not rub or twist, but gently finger comb the hair. This is something that I keep on stressing to everyone. Like, finger combing helps a lot. Follow with conditioner and rinse in similar fashion. Like I always say, guys, water and conditioner comes in handy when it comes to your wigs and also your natural hair. So don't forget to have your conditioner also. Pat dry with a towel and do not rub or roll the hair. Air dry or blow dry with a diffuser, or as recommended by your stylist. You can either blow dry it or flat iron, but you need to be checking your temperature while doing this, because sometimes you tend to blow dry or flat iron. Sometimes you start blow drying and doing your flat iron, you get carried away and find out that you're burning your wig. So be really careful when it comes to the blow drying. So if blow drying and flat iron is really complex for you, you can always air dry and it will just be good for you. Then another thing, to avoid stretching or damaging the cap, do not place a damp wig or mannequin or styrofoam head. That means how you store it also will determine how long your wig is going to stay. And this is what I tell people: if you want your wig to stay for long, make sure you store it properly, or you take care of it properly, and it will serve you for long. So to avoid stretching or damaging the cap, do not put on the wig while your hair is damp, I guess. And also your mannequin or wherever you're putting your wig to should not be damp or so, because it's going to spoil your wig cap. So styling tools should only be used when completely dry. Use electric curling or flat iron with temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I think I'm going to put down there below what's equivalent to the 400 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, so that you guys, if you have a flat iron or a curling iron that has temperatures differently, don't confuse, because the Fahrenheit is different to the Celsius. So yeah, beware. Yeah, so that is just it. So without no further ado, let's get to putting on this wig, because I really want to see how good I'm going to be looking in this wig. I want to look snatched, oh yeah. So let's put on the wig. So this is how it looks inside. And this is an L part wig. That's why you can see inside it has a lace line around here, because this is going to be the center of our wig while putting it on our hair. This must be the center or the side, however I'm going to put it on or decide to put it on. We are just going to see how it's going to look. Then the whole front is laced, so yeah, that is that part. Okay, so another thing guys that I wanted to mention before we continue is always make sure you moisturize your hair, be it you're putting on a wig or not. Always make sure to moisturize your hair. So yeah, I'm here with my favorite products. Yes, I'm still using them because I'm really seeing a big difference on my hair with using these products. The hair growth mist, so you just spray it. So this has, you know, we are locking in moisture, and this product has H2O, so you really don't have to put on, so I don't have to spray water on my hair then moisturize it, but instead this is going to do all that for me. So you just massage it, make sure it's in. Then after that, I'm going to use the hair growth butter. Also, this has amazing ingredients. So for me to have a bold hold, I'm going to be using this gel, invisible gel, got to be invisible gel. So guys, we are through with this video and I feel cute. I don't know if you can see what I can see, but damn. Oh, I feel so cute and amazing. I mean, I really didn't think I'd look as cute as I look. I was kind of second guessing myself, but at the end of the day I was like, yo, you gotta do this. We need to see how it's going to look, and I look amazing. And guys, don't forget, I'll be putting a link on the description box on where to get this here, of which I got it from Dolls Closet. So I'm going to put their link down in the description box so that you guys can directly go and order from their IG page. But so far so good, I'm feeling hella bomb, guys. I look so cute. I don't know if on camera it looks as good as it looks. A piece like this goes for only 6,500 shillings if I'm not wrong. It's a standard price and it's something that you can afford. It's not really expensive, and you look nice, and you can blow dry it, you can flat iron. But I didn't see need to do either of those because this was the first time putting it on, and the curls are just as they came in. It's really cute. I feel so amazing, guys. Wow, I look so amazing. I don't know if you guys can see what I see, but yo, if you were to make me right now, I feel like the boss I am. Yeah, this wig is giving me boss vibes. Like, yo, hi guys, hi, welcome. Don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here for more content. So yeah, this is the end of our video, sadly, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you've learned something. So far so good, and until our next video, mwah. Bye. This is not the end of my videos, guys. You can keep on watching my content. I have fashion videos, I have hair tutorials, I have makeup videos. So yeah, see you in my next video. Mwah.